Welcome back, YouTube, to another quick episode. This is another spaghetti sauce episode. I try to bring you different sauces at times so you can see different products in Canada and America and products that you should try. This is by Mezzetta. They've been in business since 1935, and this is whole garlic and sweet basil. So I'll include pictures at the end so you can see what's on the bottle. But I'm always showing you Ross sauce and pasta. Now it's time to show you different companies and products that are out there. So let's go to the pot, and this is really simple to put together. Alright, YouTube, so we're going to put that in the pot there, and we're going to cover it. And I already cooked linguine, so we're ahead of the game. So we will put the sauce in here, and like I said, I'll include pictures of the jar at the end. Alright, YouTube, so you can see what the inside of that looks like. And this is plum tomatoes. So let's pour this into the pot, cover it, and simmer it for like 20-30 minutes. Alright, so we're at that pot. And it's very hard not to splatter this. But look at the quality of that sauce. And you see the garlic? This is made from plum tomatoes. And you should smell this already, just out of the jar. Alright, YouTube. So we put the cover on there, and we're going to simmer this for like 20-30 minutes and put it on top of the pasta. And like I said, you should already smell this. See you soon. Alright, YouTube. It's hard to show you this, but the sauce is done. You see that? So inside the sauce is those pieces of garlic and basil. So you can't go wrong there. Alright, YouTube. So that's what the sauce looks like over pasta. You can see the chunks of garlic that's in there, roasted garlic, and you can't see the basil, but the basil's mixed in there. So it definitely pays off to try different sauces from different companies and different regions, because it can give you a great meal for two. And why not try different things and experiment? So talk to you soon, and I will bring you more sauce and pasta in the future. Bye bye, Dan Soy.